What do you mean by gamma rays? Gamma rays is a short wavelength electromagnetic radiation released by some nuclear transformations. It is similar to X-ray and will penetrate through the human body. Iodine 131 emits gamma rays. Both gamma and X-rays cause ionization. What do you mean by biological half-life? Half-life is biological time required for the body to eliminate one half of an administered quantity of a radioactive chemical. What do you mean by physical half-life? Physical half-life is time required for half of a quantity of radioactive material to undergo a nuclear transformation. The chemical resulting from the transformation may be either radioactive or non-radioactive. How do you classify radiation by its frequency? It usually refers to electromagnetic radiation classified by its frequency as radio, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma ray, and cosmic rays. What is natural background radiation? Natural background radiation are emissions from radioactive chemicals which are not man-made. These chemicals include uranium, radon, potassium, and other trace elements. The four main types of radiation are due to alpha particles, electrons, gamma rays, and X-rays. Alpha particles are helium nuclei with a charge of +2 that are ejected from the nucleus of an atom. Beta particle decay occurs when a neutron in the nucleus of an element is effectively transformed into a proton and an electron, which is ejected. Gamma ray emission occurs when combination with alpha, beta, or positron emission or electron capture. Whenever the ejected particle does not utilize all the energy available or decay, the excess energy is released by the nucleus as a photon or gamma ray emission coincident with the ejection of the particle. The Compton effect occurs when a photon scatters at a small angle from its original path with reduced energy because part of the photon energy is transferred to an electron. Ionizing radiation loses energy when passing through matter by producing ion pairs. Radiation may deposit energy directly into DNA or may ionize other molecules closely associated with DNA, hydrogen or oxygen, to form free radicals that can cause DNA damage. What do you mean by alpha particles? Alpha particles and electrically positive charged particles emitted from the nucleus of some radioactive chemicals. For example, plutonium. It contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons and is the largest of the atomic particles emitted by radioactive chemicals. It can cause ionization. What do you mean by beta particles? Beta particle, an electrically charged, negative charged particle emitted from some radioactive chemicals. It has the mass of an electron. Example, krypton 85 emitted from nuclear power plants is a strong beta emitter. Beta particles can cause ionization. What do you mean the term Curie? The Curie is a unit of ionizing radiation symbolized as Ci and equal to 37 billion disintegrations of nuclear transformation per second. This is approximately the amount of radioactivity emitted by 1 gram of radium-226. The unit is named after Pierre Curie, a French physicist. Ci is the symbol used.